Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how you can change the title bar color of the application window, in Windows 10 or 11. And unfortunately this feature is not available in the Windows 7. If you are in Windows 10 or 11, you can change the application's title bar color. You can set many interactive colors, or you can set a custom color. So let's see how we can change the application's title bar color. First right-click on the desktop, and then click to the Personalize option. Here the personalization settings will open, and then click here to the Colors option. And here on this page, scroll down here, and here you will see this option. And check this option, and make sure you have enabled this option. So once this option is enabled, then you will be able to select the application's title bar color. Once the option is enabled, then here you will be able to specify the color for the title bar. Here I have already selected a color. Let's see if I select this red color. And also here is the option for selecting a custom color. You can specify the color which you want. So here I have selected the red color. And here you can see now the title bar color is red. So let's see if I select this orange color. And now you can see the title bar color has changed again, and the changes will happen in the runtime of the Windows. And that's for this video. Thanks for watching this video.